guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kshama Singh and you're watching my channel, that is Artism by Kshama. So guys, I'm back with my another Christmas video, and this video will going to be the 12th video of my Christmas series. Well guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to draw a Santa Claus. So sit back and enjoy the video. So guys, this is the close-up look of my painting, but wait guys, this is not yet completed. Now guys, it's your turn to tell me which part of the video you loved the most, and make sure to leave a comment. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video, and if you guys enjoyed, then do give a like, subscribe, share to my YouTube channel, which is Artism by Kshama. Thanks for watching. Bye.